Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with some stuff that I picked up from Sephora. So I made a Sephora order. I actually picked up quite a few things. We're going to put majority of it on our face. There's a couple of things. I got 3 eyeshadow palettes, so we can only use one. So we're just going to kind of go through what I got, put it on our face, see what we think about it, and that's going to be it. So I hope y'all enjoy the video. If that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Okay. So one thing that I've already used is I got the Kosas Brow Pop Dual Action Defining Pencil. It's super cute, but this is what it's kind of a triangular tip pencil. And I got it in black. So it worked really well. I think my brows are looking pretty good so far. I also got the Air Brow, but we're going to try that at the end. So the palettes that I got, the first one I got is the ABH Norvina, the new one, the Volume 5 palette. And then I got the Patrick Ta Major Dimension eyeshadow palettes. And the one we're going to play with today is the Natasha Denona Zendo palette. So I've been I hadn't really been buying a ton of makeup since I hadn't been filming. So I'm kind of catching up on some things that I was interested in that's kind of, you know, already past releases. It's been out for a little bit. So I'm going to play with this and see what I think about it real quick. Alright, let me take off my glasses and put my hair back. So the Zendo palette was actually the only palette that I got that didn't come with something messed up. The Patrick Ta palette, one of the pans is a little loose. I'm trying to figure out how to get it back in there. Trying to just push it a little bit isn't working. The ABH Volume 5 palette, it had the lightest shade. They were both the lightest shade, shimmer shades, but the lightest shade, it kind of broke a little bit on the side, so I had to just push it down a little bit, and I tried to clean it off, but it seemed like I was making more of a mess than I was cleaning it up, so I kind of gave up on that. But okay, I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. I think I figured it out. I'm going to go in with Balance real quick in my crease. Alright, now I'm going to go in with Mindful, which Mindful is one of those cream shades, her creamy shades. And I'm going to put that on my outer corner. If you can hear in the background, I got my candle going. A magic candle, the Tiki Terrace. It smells so good. After I was filming the other night, Sunday night, my daughter came here and said, "This smells good." Okay, now I'm going to go in with Scents, and I'm going to put that in the middle of my eye. Just kind of blending in that Mindful in the next shade. Alright, and now I'm going to go in with Yama, and I'm going to put that on the inner half of my lid. Alright, I'm just going to clean up everything under the eyes. Okay, I don't have a new primer, so I'm just going to throw on this Hello Fab First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. And I'm just going to blend that in a little bit. Alright, so our next product is the Fenty Beauty Ease Drops Blurring Skin Tint. And I got shade 2. And that's what it looks like. I had seen a few people raving about it, so I was excited to try it out, see what I thought about it. Alright, I'm going to blend that in with my Sigma F80 flat kabuki brush. I got a good shade match. Alright, and I picked up the Kosas Revealer Super Creamy and Brightening Concealer. And what shade did I get? 3.20. And that's what it looks like. And I also grabbed, because I've been wanting to try it, because my concealer brush is breaking. The one that I usually use, the ferrule is coming off. So I wanted to find another concealer brush. If I can get this open. I've been checking this brush out for a while now. And it's the Rare Beauty Liquid Touch Concealer, Liquid Touch Brush Concealer. So it's concealer brush. So I'm going to try that out. That's what it looks like. It kind of reminds me of a smaller version of the one that I got from Ipsy. Where did it go? Yes. They both kind of have that same kind of slanted look to them. So we'll see how this works. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my concealer. Alright, I'm taking that Rare Beauty brush and just going to blend that in. Yeah, I got my concealer too dark. I don't know. Seems like lately I've been picking darker concealers. Not meaning to. But I do like how that brush works. I'm just going to put on a little bit of my number 7 powder real quick on my under eyes. I don't have any new bronzer or anything, so I'm just going to go in with L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronze It Bronzer and 01 Light. I'm getting close to hitting pan on this. And I'm going to use my Patrick Ta blush in She's Seductive. I'm going to go over my nose. Give me kind of that summer sun-kissed look. I'm really loving that blush. And now I'm just gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Iced Out highlighter. Almost bought this again because I forgot that I owned it. I had put it up somewhere and forgot that I even owned it. Alright, I'm going to go back in the Zendo palette. I'm taking a pencil brush and I'm just going to take Mindful right here, that cream shade, and I'm going to put it on my lower lash line. And I'm going to take a little bit of Yama and I'm going to put that in the inner corner as my inner corner highlight. Alright, I don't have any new mascara, so I'm going to throw on my Thrive Cosmetics mascara and I'll be right back. Alright, for my lips, with my Sephora points, I got this Lip Maestro Intense Velvet color by Giorgio Armani. It's just this kind of nudie color. I'm going to try that on and see what I think about it. Super cute little lipstick. It is very velvety. Now I'm going to use my Air Brow. It's the Kosas Air Brow Fluff and Hold Treatment Gel, and I got it in clear. And that's what the little wand's, just a small one. So we're going to put this in our brows. Alright, I like the way that looks. And I don't have a new setting spray, so I'm just going to use my ABH Dewy Setting Mist. Alright, well this is the final look using all my Sephora products. I'm going to go through and kind of talk about what I played with and what I picked up. The Brow Pop Pencil. I really enjoyed filling my brows in with this. It seemed like it went by really quick. It didn't take me long to fill them in at all, and I think they looked beautiful filled in with this. So I'm real excited to keep trying this. And the little spoolie is great on the other end. I'll go ahead and talk about the Brow Pop. I really like it. It seems like it's gonna hold my brows pretty good so far. It isn't like super stiff or sticky or anything like that. So I'm excited to keep trying this too. The palette, I really like. The shades that I used were perfect. The cream shade worked great. Yama's really pretty shade. It's kind of got some like teal in it, some kind of bluish sea green or something in it. It's really, really pretty. I'm excited to keep playing with this and trying out some of the other colors. So that was definitely a hit. The Fenty Skin Tint, yeah, the blurring skin tint looks beautiful on. It has a lot more coverage than I thought there was gonna be, and I think it looks beautiful. I'm super excited with the way my skin and my eyes and everything looks today. So I'm excited to keep using this. The concealer, I really like it. I think I might have gotten too deep of a color, but I think I can make it work. So I've been eyeing this for a while. I'll have to keep trying it, and if I need to get like a lighter color to highlight a little bit more, I will, but I think I can make it work because my setting powder kind of evens out if it's a little dark. So, but I really like the formula, and if I do feel it's too deep, I will purchase it in a lighter formula. That's how much I'm enjoying this so far. Was that everything? The lipstick feels really good on the lips, really smooth, and it's a beautiful color. I'm excited to have this and have a chance to try it out. I think that's all. I also got the NARS Creamy Concealer too. I picked up a tube of it, and I should have gotten the right shade because I went by the shade that I know the YouTuber Allie Glines, she has around the same skin tone as me, so I went by what shade she uses. So I'm excited to try this out. I've never tried it before, so I'm excited to try this out. And I'm excited to I'll have to try that out with one of my palettes that I have. So I also have a few things that I picked up from Ulta that should be at the front door right now. So I'll have to try those out too, and we'll do that in our next video, I guess. But I'm super excited. Oh yeah, the concealer brush. I really liked how fast this blended in. So far I'm really loving it, which I did love this one, but for some reason it seems like this one blends it in faster for some reason. Maybe it was the formula of the concealer or what, but I'm really enjoying this concealer brush. And I'm still loving this highlighter and the spray from ABH. It's just a beautiful tone, and the Patrick Ta blush. I'm still loving those. So I think that's it that I used on my face, and that's worth talking about right now. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all like seeing what I got from Sephora and me trying it on. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below. I love to hear from you guys. So I guess that's going to be all for me today. I hope y'all have a great rest of the day, and I guess I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.